This goes together lickety-split. You start with the bottom pineapple layer because it needs time to cool down. Whisk together 1 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This keeps the cornstarch from clumping up when you add in a whole 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple. Stir this on medium heat until it gets really thick and clear. Nothing happens until it starts to bubble around the edge and it reaches 180 degrees. When it leaves a large trail behind your spatula, cook it for 2 minutes longer. Pour it in another bowl to stop the cooking and cool it down. You know, Chessie would love this. We haven't seen her since she found that spaceship in the back of the pantry. She stopped to refuel on the planet Carnivex. Oh, that explains it. You guys are always getting into something, aren't you? I know. Stir in 2 tablespoons of butter. Great googly moogly! That was not a slice of cheesecake. Nice work, Cheesecake! You survived the mirrors! Now, it's time for your grand finale! Dun, dun, dun! Whack-a-wobble! While that's cooling, let's make the crust. Take 31 or 31 vanilla sandwich cookies, filling and all. Half a cup of pecans. Look at Big Val, she can count. Give those a whisk around and then add in 5 tablespoons of melted and cooled butter. Let it run for a moment to soak in all that butter. Oh, I love butter. The butter is kind of like the glue to keep the crumbles together. Spread it around the bottom and side evenly. We use a metal measuring cup for this, and ours has this neat little end flappy thing, and we use it to help us get it even all around. The best we found to get it even is to work it slowly up and around. This takes all the pressure of a kitchen loonie. Then bake on top of a cookie sheet for 5 to 8 minutes, just until it starts to turn a golden brown. Whack-a-wobble! All you gotta do is bonk the wobbly clowns before the timer runs out to earn your fuel. Oh, but I should warn ya, the mallet might be, randomly collapse. Whoops-a-daisy! You're a bigger booger snot than I thought, Bungledorf. This carnival's more crooked than a corkscrew. Cream together a brick of cream cheese, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and half a cup of sugar. Your cheese and eggs should be at room temperature, and this is the safest way to do it. Plop them in a bowl of warm water, as warm as your dishwater, and like 10 minutes, they're ready. Voila! Add in an egg at a time. We scrape down the bowl every time we add something. It helps to keep away those pesky lumps. Add in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and half a cup of milk. Looks a little soupy, but that's okay. That better not be one of your rigged rides exploding again. Nope. Not one of mine. Nope. 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 Nope, 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 nope. And now we have everything ready for the assembly. Spread your thick pineapple, then gently pour on your cream cheese mixture. Sprinkle a cup of freshly chopped pecans on top. You want them finely chopped, or else they sink. And bake for 10 minutes at 400 degrees. And then turn down your oven to 325 and bake for 50 minutes longer. It'll jiggle in the middle a little bit and be slightly brown around the edges. Chessie, you look like you've been chewed up and spit out by a cotton candy machine. Let's get out of here before the rest of the carnival tries to eat you alive. Ah! Hold on, a hot dog stand. You can't just waltz in and steal my player. She still owes me a round of the dunk tank of doom. Chill overnight in the fridge. Pipe on some stabilized whipped cream. We left the recipe below in the description with everything else, like we always do, in case you didn't find it by now. Well, don't just stand there like a bunch of cotton-picking wingnuts. Be sure to tune in next week to see how I get us out of this mess. Great googly moogly, it's gonna be a ride.